Working from anywhere has never been easier, but only if you've got the right tools. Whether you're freelancing, managing a remote team, or just starting out, these 5 free tools in 2025 are game changers for productivity, communication, and sanity. Let's dive in. First up, Notion AI. It's more than just note-taking. In 2025, it's your personal assistant, task manager, database, and brainstorming buddy, all rolled into one. Use it to track your to-dos, manage projects, and even auto-generate content. Remote teams? You can collaborate in real time and tag your teammates anywhere on Earth. Best of all, the free plan is still generous enough for most solopreneurs and small teams. Number 2, Krisp. You don't need a soundproof studio to sound professional. Krisp uses AI to cancel out background noise during calls. Barking dogs, crying babies, espresso machines. Gone. It works with Zoom, Teams, Slack, Google Meet, you name it. If you're on client calls or podcasts, this tool can be a lifesaver. The free plan gives you 60 minutes per day, plenty for most users. Number 3 is Loom, the ultimate async video tool. Why write a long email when you can record your screen, voice, and face to explain things 10x faster? Loom is perfect for remote teams across time zones, client walkthroughs, or even feedback on design or code. The free plan gives you up to 25 videos and 5 minutes per recording, just enough for punchy updates without the bloat. Tool number 4, Clockify. You can't improve what you don't measure. Clockify is a free time tracker that helps you see exactly where your hours go. Use it to bill clients accurately, build better routines, or just become aware of distractions. It works on web, mobile, even as a browser extension. Perfect for freelancers, agencies, or anyone wanting to get a grip on their day. And finally, Trebble. Think of it like Blinkist for remote workers, but free. It turns articles, newsletters, and even your own notes into quick, listenable audio summaries. Staying informed without doom scrolling? That's a win. It's great for passive learning during commutes, workouts, or while making coffee. In 2025, smart consumption beats overconsumption. Let's recap. Notion AI, Krisp, Loom, Clockify, and Trebble. 5 free tools to supercharge your remote workflow in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your favorite free tool in the comments. We might feature it in the next video. Thanks for watching, and stay productive wherever you are.